Hello! Meron na naman tayong another sakit ng manok. At ngayon, we're going to discuss fowl pox. So this is a viral infection in fowl and it is caused by avipox virus. Kapag meron ng mga ganito, this is a nodule sa mga unfeathered part. So this is the cutaneous form of the fowl pox. So sa mga unfeathered area. Ang diphtheritic form naman is yung makikita sa loob ng oral cavity. So ito will have an effect in the swallowing ability of the fowl. So paano ba ang transmission nito? So halimbawa nagkaroon ng abrasion dito sa comb and napunta dito yung virus, so pwede magkaroon ng ganito, magkaroon ng nodule. And yung mosquito pala is a primary vector, primary transmitter of this virus. And also other biting insects. Pero dito sa Philippines, yung pinaka-common talaga is yung mosquito. So ito, this is a turkey, so natantad na ng pox virus yung ulo ng turkey. Good thing is available ang vaccine sa Philippines. And pwede rin i-control ang mosquito, mas maganda para mabawasan yung vector na taga-transmit ng pox virus. So, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin talagang treatment for fowl pox. So, kapag meron ng ganito sa flock, you control the mosquito and you vaccinate those not affected birds. So, for the affected birds naman, pwede nyo na actually cull. Thank you.